finished doing that video where I show you the lanyard with beads for children's face masks, which came out beautiful. Check it out in the next video. So now, as I stated, I'm going to show you another way. So now this one is leather, guys. Making a lanyard for your face mask with leather. Using some leather scraps that I have here. I got these from my mom, rest her soul. I miss her so much, guys. And look, she gave me this. And so now I decided to use them, right? So all I did was I did this random video to show you already. I didn't put the glue in, but just for the duration and purpose of the video. So I put using the end cap, jump ring, and lobster claps. And you put here. And of course you want to measure your neck to the duration, how long you want it to hang. You see? Now, so let me show you how you do that. Take your end cap, right? Take your end cap. Make sure it's straight. Right? Make sure you put it on right. Push it in right inside the crimp. Not the crimp, in the end cap. Close it. This is the flat nose pliers. Double check it. Close it. Squeeze it right on. Now, as I was saying, you could put glue inside, but for the duration video, I didn't put the glue inside. But this should hold it flat in place until I'm ready to put the glue in. But you put some glue in. Best glue to use E6000 or epoxy. I use 5-minute epoxy. And look at that. See that? Locks it right in place. Look at it. See? Both end cups are locked in place. Then take your jump ring, right? Take the jump ring. Right, pull it apart like you opening and closing something. Push that right on there. Take the lobster claps, put that on there also. Right, see how simple that is? Close the jump ring, right? And that's it. Close it up real tight. Sometimes I put a little tip of glue on, depending on my jump ring. I think I kind of missed it on how the jump ring is. I will put a tip of glue, guys. Yeah, I'll put a tip of glue on it. And look at that. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to show you how it looks with the face mask, guys. 1 minute. So yeah, guys. So you take your face mask. Well, you know, right? There you have it, all nice and snug. Your face mask, right? Take your lanyard. Take that bad boy. Actually, it should be behind you. Because I did the same thing with my daughter just now. Her lanyard was able to turn into a necklace. And you know what, guys? Guess what? This one too. Yeah. And there you have it. Look at that. Beautiful leather thing right here. Beautiful leather lanyard for your face mask. Take it off. Now I took off my lip. And look at that. And it just hangs. Look at that, guys. And it just hangs. See? And it hangs, right? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. And it hangs just perfect. So look at that. And it just hangs just perfect, guys. Look at that. See? You don't have to have no issues. Perfectly fine. It hangs. That's it. So, no more just drop it in your bag in front or stuff in your back, pocket in front. Keep it. Put it on, take it off. Put it on, take it off. This is awesome. A leather lanyard. Look at that. And now, as I said to you now, so this is the first time I'm actually making these. First time, and this came to me. And you know, and I see, yes, I do see it's a little trend. And not only that, it helps because it's frustrating. Take it, if this could fit in your seat, and you can wear this as a cord, as a necklace when you don't want to wear the face mask. See this pendant? My mother, rest in peace. Miss her so much. Yeah, as I was saying, you could take the lobster clasp, put it in your jump ring, right? Either your jump ring or you could put it in the lobster and leave it as a necklace, right? However, it would look plain if you don't want to do that. You have two options. You could take a jump ring. This is a large jump ring. I forgot how many millimeters, right? Put in a pendant, right? Put that pendant either on the jump ring if you want. Close it, right? And there you have it. Look at that, right? And if you don't want to wear it that way, right? Because it may look tacky, right? Take the jump ring off. I'm so used to using my fingers, so that's why I see me do so much, guys. Put that right back on. Mind, this is a lanyard for your face method. I'm showing you how you could use it additionally for a chain. And it's multiple ways. Take the jump ring, open it. Now, you might have a little tussle because it's a little tight, but the trick to get around that's my phone, excuse me, to get around that is put 2 jump rings, one here and one on the top. And look at that. And it still can hang as a necklace. It may look a little funny, but you could adjust it and fix it. Okay, you could do that. Or guess what? You could just add a bead, a simple, beautiful bead, and that's it. But a large one or a large pendant. But this lanyard could be used for multiple ways. But the intended purpose is for your face mask. Alright guys, that's it. If you like this video, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you would like some more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notification. Alright, until next time with Jan and Just Being Creative, or Mix It Up Jan. Bye-bye. Oh, and to check out the other video of where I made lanyard for your glasses. So they were beaded necklace for your glasses. Check that out, okay? Alright, bye-bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jan, Just Being Creative. Bye-bye.